Garage scrub sinks installed in a garage-adjacent mudroom keep heavy-duty cleaning out of the main kitchen sink and protect interiors. For a big family house kitchen project, plan a utility sink with a high-flow spray-down hose and a deep stainless steel basin sized for large grill pans and muddy outdoor gear. Choose a commercial-style faucet with at least 140 gallons per minute equivalent flow and a retractable hose that reaches across the basin for rinsing corners without splashing the floor. Set the basin depth at least 12 inches and use sound-deadening undercoating on the underside to cut noise when pots are dropped in. Install the sink on a raised platform with a drain that goes to the same sanitary sewer line as the kitchen, but includes an accessible grease interceptor or trap if you will wash greasy barbecue pans there. Add durable countertop material such as epoxy-coated plywood or stainless for side workspace, and a wall-mounted hose bracket so the hose stays tidy. Include organized storage for brushes, long-handled scrub tools, dedicated cleaning chemicals kept in locked or ventilated cabinets, and a built-in drying rack that allows water to run back into the sink. Common issues include poor drainage that causes standing water and odors, so make sure the trap and interceptor are correctly sized and accessible for routine cleaning to prevent backups. Another mistake is underspecifying the faucet and hose, which leads to slow rinsing and excessive time spent cleaning. Avoid that by choosing a commercial-rated sprayer and confirming supply line size is adequate during rough plumbing. A third concern is splash and overspray that wets adjacent storage or flooring, solved by installing splash guards, a taller curb around the sink area, and using a floor drain or waterproof flooring with a gentle slope toward the drain. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for installing a garage, scrub sink, and related plumbing work, and we also help contractors find work from local clients. We host a community discussion area where we and other members exchange project ideas, vendor experiences, and build tips to guide your planning and contractor selection.